In this video, I am going to show you how to find the best keywords on Pinterest. Keyword research is crucial for optimizing your content on Pinterest and reaching your target audience effectively. Here are some methods to find the best keywords on Pinterest. 1. Pinterest Autocomplete. Similar to Google, Pinterest offers autocomplete suggestions when users type in the search bar. Take advantage of these features by noting down relevant suggestions before hitting enter. 2. Exercise caution with popular keywords. While it's tempting to use every popular keyword you find, it's essential to ensure relevance to your content. Using irrelevant keywords might lead to your content ranking for unrelated searches, resulting in a higher bounce rate and potential negative impact. 3. Pinterest Suggested Topics. Utilize Pinterest's guided search feature, which provides suggested topics highlighted in different colors alongside search results. These suggestions are based on trending and relevant keywords, offering insight into search intent to incorporate. 4. Identify keywords in high-ranking pins. Search for target keywords on Pinterest and observe the description of high-ranking pins. Analyze the keywords used by top-performing pins and identify common patterns. These frequently occurring keywords are excellent candidates to include your content, as they have proven to be effective in driving engagement and visibility. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.